let's take a look today at a few of the items we've got for the RZR build. We're going to start off with shipment from Kemimoto. They should have sent us a set of mirrors and a camera for the front of the machine. So here's a look at the mirrors. These are lighted with a universal clamp on them for your cage. Got two mirrors in there. Wiring for the lights. Good heavy duty, looks like a nice set of mirrors. Although I don't see any type of switch. I wish they came with a switch, but we can take care of that. And then they also sent a front camera for the ride command setup. Simple install, mounts to the front of the machine so it matches your rear camera. You don't come from the factory with that. I'm not sure why. My old Turbo did. Then we've got a Ultimate UTV tool bag organizer from Rhino USA. We're going to put together a complete toolkit with this setup, with all the necessary tools to get you through the trail. Looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments, and they're labeled sockets, wrenches, pliers, and specialty. And then it's got a small open at the top of the bag there too. This will work out great. Rolls up, so you can keep all your tools in there. So stay tuned. We'll be putting together a complete toolkit with all the tools for that. And then Trailstar Audio sent us a dual battery setup. So here's what comes in there. Some stickers. It's like some bolts. Bracket. Got a nice engraving on their hold down plate, it looks like. And there's the connection and monitoring kit. We can get it open. There we go. So, looks like it comes with some wiring, your relay, some battery cables, your digital display for your batteries, relay, instructions, and the battery. So that'll do it for looking at those 3 companies that sent us product. Stay tuned for more.